What is a certified health coach? Certified health coaches are fast becoming a critical link in the healthcare chain. We fill a gap that helps improve overall health and wellness and prevent illness. Certified health coaches work with individuals or groups in areas such as weight loss, lifestyle, and prevention of health issues. We empower, educate, and motivate clients to achieve their health and wellness goals. We walk alongside our clients, helping them build confidence and belief in their abilities. Think of a sports coach who trains and supports their athletes. Certified health coaches do exactly the same thing for those interested in improving their overall health. A certified health coach through the Dr. Sears Wellness Institute promotes a healthy lifestyle that is built on the 4 pillars of health. Lifestyle, how we live. Exercise, how we move. Attitude, how we think. And nutrition, how we eat. Dr. William Sears, the founder of the Dr. Sears Wellness Institute, uses the acronym LEAN to describe this balanced approach to health. We need all 4 of these areas working together not only to get healthy, but to stay healthy. This is not a quick fix or a fad diet. It's a lifestyle change. Start your health and wellness journey today. Work with a certified health coach.